In winter, no one likes to wake up to a cold bathroom floor. Hi, I'm Alex. I will show you how simple it is to install Devex Systems' own underfloor heating mat, the X-Mat. Start by making a drawing of the room and measure the area where you will need the X-Mat. Send your plans to our customer service team and they will advise on the best sized X-Mat for the job. The X-Mat should not go under any permanent fixtures like toilets, vanities and baths. Do not include these when calculating the area. You now know what size X-Mat you will need. You will also need a thermostat with floor sensor and a 10mm sensor flexible conduit. Before you begin installing the X-Mats, you will need to install two 20mm conduits. The 10mm sensor flexible conduit will need to be inserted into one of the 20mm conduits. These need to be placed in the wall cavity leading from the thermostat location to the floor. Both conduits will need to be chiselled into the subfloor structure, as the X-Mat system is only covered by 10mm of glue adhesive. Make sure that the floor is clean and clear of all dust and debris. You are now ready to install your floor heating system. Mark out the positions of all permanent fixtures, like the vanity and the toilet. Use your sketch to plan where you will lay the mats. Lay your X-Mat with the adhesive side down. Press on the mat as you go. When you reach an obstruction like a toilet, you can cut the mesh on the X-Mat and move the mat around the obstruction or in a different direction. Make sure not to cut the green cable. The X-Mat cable must never be cut or shortened in any way. Now this is an overhead view of how your installation should look. One conduit is for the cold tail of the X-Mat and the other is for the sensor probe. The conduit for the sensor probe needs to extend into the room by at least 100mm so that the probe can accurately measure the floor temperature. Spread a flexible tile adhesive over the mat. Be careful not to use excessive force downward, as this could damage the cable. Ensure that the mat is completely covered with no air pockets. The tiles can be laid directly over the mat. Devex has a wide range of thermostats available, and your thermostat will come with a sensor probe. The sensor probe must be connected to the thermostat and inserted into the conduit in the floor. A licensed electrician must carry out the connection of the thermostat. There you have it. One warm bathroom floor for the next 30 years. Call us on 1800 636 091 for more information or email us on info@devexsystems.com.au for an obligation-free quote or your installation guide.